They're just staring up.
Hear that? Yeah, and I don't like it.
Oh god, it's the bugs.
Yeah, if you get out of my way, I can mow them all down. I brought this.
Alright.
I brought the bug repellent.
Alright, you guys use your bug spray, Sean.
Barracks are under attack. All
Like
available
stuck behind
combat teams
Marines.
respond.
That Marine is climbing on a box for absolutely no reason.
I mean, I like to clap on
Anyone in the
boxes too,
barracks, I
so.
need a sit rep. Now.
This is what I do every Friday night. I stand on a box and I clap. 30 minutes straight. It arouses me slightly.
Coming out of the vents.
Here they come.
Light them up! Light them up! What the hell are those things, Sergeant?
Come on, bug spray.
The whole swarm!
I'm trying, but you guys are so much faster.
Come on, bug
In
spray.
here. Helpful.
You're the worst bug spray ever.
You ran in here too fast. I couldn't in here fast enough.
Terrible bug spray. Did I fucking stick one? I swear I fucking stuck one. It's me, John Chief.
Johnson. You might want to put that out.
There's SMGs down here, Colton. If you want to dual wield them again.
A little going away gift for the
I have a
company.
big SMG.
We've linked it to smaller charges throughout the base. Johnson, as soon as the evacuation is complete, start the timer.
Excuse me, sir, I'll need this.
Good luck, everyone. See you on the last Pelican now.
Go, Skullman!
I am Conan.
We'll call him
Conan the Space
Scoliosis.
Barber.
Here we have a shield now.
How do we deploy those? I like that.
The same way we did it in multiplayer, Sean.
No one does. Oh, stuck. Oh, stuck. Oh crap!
Oh, God.
What killed me?
It's okay, guys. I'll shotgun him. See, I shotgunned him.
Just hammer yourself to death.
I just got so hammered I died.
Did you stop hammer time?
Best
Is that what you
combo in the
did?
world.
Oh!
Oh, folks, she's all.
I'm so lost. Where are we going?
In the hole.
Down the
Oh.
holy hole.
You have been called upon to
Holiosis.
serve.
Scoliosis.
Why didn't we see it? We're aliens.
Fuck is this
Because...
Cortana?
Don't worry, she's ex-girlfriend. Don't worry about her. I don't still love her. Don't believe me. I am death incarnate. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, the creator and the destroyer of worlds.
No! Please!
Look, it soiled itself. Demon, fight.
That's the proper way to save someone, right? Throw a grenade at them.
That shows how much you actually care.
I didn't.
Join the
Really? That's it? I have 2 shots. I can button combo 2 more brutes.
I have like 30, 29. Plus, however much is in my magazine. Oh,
Banzai! Hey, an achievement. A few trinkets. Oh, there we go. That's 5,000 campaign medals.
You're a trinket. Oh, fuck me in the dick.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, actually, it probably will be.
The pack will hold our
The Arbiter's dead.
How do you throw stuff?
Don't,
Ow, God.
don't
damn.
die.
Oh, am I the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I somehow got hit with a grenade that wasn't there.
It's because you don't actually exist, Sean.
Aren't you glad that I ran into my Vietnamese tunnels?
Yes. My screen got
Vietnamese.
very dark for some reason. You're probably gonna have to go down there and do something about that.
Yeah, but of course Colton only has melee weapon.
Shotgun's not a melee weapon.
It is in Halo.
I have found my dinner. It seeks to evade us.
Halo's the only game where the shotgun can't be a sniper weapon. What? No bad
God
idea.
damn it, Colton.
Alright then.
You guys need
Would've
to
made it
stop
to the
dying
bubble.
so much.
Hope you wouldn't be hiding in an air vent.
Oh, we didn't go that far back.
Not like the last level.
Who wears the pants on this planet?
Who wears the pants on this planet?
Ha! Get it? See? He said pants and planet. It's a joke.
Get it.
I don't either.
Everyone on your feet, grab a weapon.
Ow! You put one bullet in my abdomen and I cried.
Well, dang it, because you stood inside the blue shield draining orb.
And you guys are dead.
No, I wasn't.
You were. You got
No,
hit
I
by it,
wasn't.
Your shield was down.
I
You were
wasn't
standing
in
right
that
next to me when
orb.
it went off.
I wasn't.
You were all up in
oh.
that orb.
I wasn't. I didn't see a blue orb.
I just stuck his grenade with my grenade.
No, you killed me, actually.
I did, sorry.
I opened the door and got a shocking surprise. We
It's
just
a bit of
double-teamed the shit out of
overkill,
him.
don't you think?